Firstly, you will need some cabbage. You have to chop or grind the cabbage finely. After grinding or chopping the cabbage, you need to take the cabbage and mix it with some water. Then you need to separate the water from the cabbage as shown ahead in the video. Now we proceed to add some corn flour, some flour or maida, a little bit of salt, some red chilli powder, some garam masala, and some coriander powder. Now I proceed to add some chili sauce, black soy sauce, some carrots. Now you've got to mix everything really well. This is when you make the spherical balls. Now you heat some oil in a pan and add the Manchurian made. Now we'll fry them and remove the Manchurian and proceed to add some garlic, some ginger, a little bit of onion, spring onion, and mix it really well. Now you add some capsicum, now we'll add some black soy sauce, and Szechuan chutney. Now we mix it all together. Then we add some cornstarch mixed with water and stir it again. Then we'll proceed to add the Manchurian. Now we let it cook and add some spring onions on it. You may add some water and it's ready.